Hey, it's Penny with Rediscover Your Shine. I was just thinking how magical it is. I'm standing in the middle of a cornfield. Snow is everywhere. It's 30-something degrees. It's warm enough for me to take my jacket off. It's amazing what calming my nervous system down has done. Anyway, I was just wanting to just show you the simple magic I think is magic since calming my nervous system down. I'm looking at bare trees, a big white field, sunshine, and some bluffs and some clouds. No color, basically black and white, and blue with the sky, but it's so incredible and so magical. Can you find the magic in your day? Can you lift off the programmed, it's cold out, I don't want to be outside, it's not warm enough, it's winter, yuck, yada, yada, boo, blah, off, and find some joy in your day. We're alive, folks. We are alive and we are breathing. So stop your suffering and suck it up and get outside and find some joy. Make a snowman. Lie down and make a snow angel. Come on. We're not too out of the realm of being able to do that. I challenge you. Go ahead, make a snow angel and DM me a picture of it, or just write snow angel in the comments. I dare you.